The Kinesis Advantage2 ergonomic keyboard might not win any beauty contests, but when it comes to functionality and comfort, it's in a league of its own. At first glance, its unique design with deep key wells may seem unconventional, but this layout is precisely what makes it so effective. These deep wells are designed to position your hands and fingers in a natural, relaxed state, reducing strain and promoting a healthier typing posture. What truly sets the Advantage2 apart is its ability to adapt to your specific needs. The keyboard is fully programmable, allowing you to remap keys to suit your work style or preferences. Whether you're a programmer, writer, or just someone looking to optimize their workflow, this feature makes the keyboard incredibly versatile. You can create custom layouts, shortcuts, and macros to enhance your productivity and make typing more intuitive. Another highlight of the Kinesis Advantage2 is its use of premium mechanical switches. These switches provide a tactile, satisfying click with each press, delivering a precise and responsive typing experience. The sound and feel of the keys make typing enjoyable, even for long stretches of time. For those who love mechanical keyboards, this is a feature that will not disappoint. While the design might take some time to get used to, the payoff in comfort and efficiency is well worth it. The Advantage2 is built for those who prioritize ergonomics and performance above all else. It's a tool that can help you avoid repetitive strain injuries and work more efficiently, all while offering a unique typing experience that's hard to match. If comfort and customization are at the top of your keyboard wish list, the Kinesis Advantage2 could very well be the best ergonomic keyboard you'll ever use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.